Hello, today we are going to be doing the exhibition. So first thing we are going to go on to the configurations of the exhibition. I'm opening the configurations page. Now I have chosen my name of the hotspot exhibition. Here's the title text that would be reflecting on your hotspot. The color of my hotspot is white. You can choose this color by HEX code that would be simply here. Click here, it will open you to a new page where you can go ahead, select any random color which you feel like according to the design language. Now again, I would be going ahead. I've uploaded this image onto the my exhibition. Okay, the hotspot, I have chosen these as per my language and the design, and these are my skip buttons. So I'm going to be going ahead saving this, and once I've saved it, it would be reflecting on the front end. Okay, so I would just make it live now. I'm going to go ahead, go to a new, I'll do a login again by the by previewing the website. Here's my exhibition area 1. I'm going to go into this exhibition area 1, and here I am onto my the image which I have set. Now here I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add up some things, like I'm going to add up a sponsor logo which I have not added, which I have added, but I'm going to remove this image. I'm going to remove it. This is the image. I'm going to remove this image. This is the image, you can see the blue one. Okay, I'm going to remove this image and I'm going to install a Platoo image. So it is very easy for you to understand what are the changes which are being made. So I've uploaded an image. It's here sponsor. Every image has to be less than 1 MB. Okay, these are the coordinates which I have chosen, okay, for the image, and I've chosen this. I have just added one exhibition area. You can add two, you can add three areas also, and as per your customization you just let us know, we would get that done for you. Okay, I've added this. I've done the live now option. I'm going to go ahead previewing the website, and yes, I would be there in to my website, and from here and there I'm going to reach onto my lobby after logging in, and from logging in I'm going to go on, and you can see the change out here. I've changed the logo, the sponsor logo out here. I've just added this learn with Plato. Okay, it is very simple, anyone can do it, and it's very, any, you don't have to be a tech savvy person to do it. Okay, so now I'm going to quickly go ahead, enable my rotating image so that I can go ahead and make a rotating image just to show you guys. If there would be a requirement from your client side, you can add up a rotating image. So I'm going to name this also rotating one, and I'm going to make the name, and I'm going to make it for 3 seconds rotation, and I'm going to choose any coordinates, okay, which would reflect. I'm going to go on to paints, and I'm going to get the coordinates for myself from paints itself. So I hope everyone knows how you will get the coordinates. The coordinate out here would be 878 191, and the size of this would be 1155 365. So it's going to be, I have 870 191 1155 and 365, and I'm going to choose this exhibition area. I'm going to save this. Okay, now I'll go ahead and just add up rotating image. You have to add up rotating image. You have to add up more than one image to see the rotation. Okay, so I'm going to add up these images. I'll just choose some of my designs. Okay, I'll just get a design for you guys which I already have developed. I'm going to choose it rotating I'm going to add up one more image on the same area so that it rotates. Okay, the purpose of adding two different images are that you have to have, two images at least to make a rotation. Otherwise, if you put one image and you put the second image into a different thing, different banner altogether, it would be same. So it is, it's no worth adding up the same image. So the design language has to be different. So I'm going to do a quick live now, and you would be able to see the rotating image onto my exhibition area, which I'm going to be showing you right away. I'm previewing the website. I'm going to be going in the lobby. I'm going to be going from here, from the lobby to the exhibition. And here, can you see two rotating image? It has added out here. So these are rotating image. You can add the rotating image according to the area which you choose. For example, you want it in the center. You can take the coordinates of this center and you can add up the image. Okay. So now I'm going to go again onto the back end. I'm going to explain you the what is the configurations now onto the booth, how you're going to do the booth in the configuration in the exhibition. There are booth. Can you see exhibition booth? So exhibition booth are basically the hotspot. Okay. Now I'm going to be going ahead. This is the exhibition booth, and this is giving me hotspot 200, and it's named as E2. So I'm going to make it booth 2. Okay, I'm going to change the colors. The color is white. So I'm going to make it red color. I want it red. It's very attractive. So this is the image which I have chosen for my booth. But yeah, surely I can go ahead, choose a different image for my booth. So that it's very easy for you to understand. I'll go ahead, quickly check a image of the booth. I'm going to add any image. It has to be less than a MB. Okay, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to make this 300. Let's save this. Okay, so it says maximum file size should be 1 MB. I've uploaded a larger image according to the configurations given. So I'm going to check this time if the image is less than an MB or is more than MB. And I'm going to choose the image which is less than MB, and I'm going to save this. Once it has been saved, yeah, it has been saved perfectly. Okay, I'm going to add up a video before I go ahead and show you. So I've used this YouTube wala video. It's going to be on page. You can put it on the hotspot also. it, the name of the video would be lobby. Okay, it can be booth. Your hotspot color could be this. Okay, I've used a Vimeo link. I've positioned my with the coordinates which I have used and got it from paint. I'm going to save this video. Okay, this video has been saved. I'm going to do a quick live now to show you guys where it's reflecting. So I'm going to log in onto the platform just to show you guys where it's reflecting. Now I'm going to go to the exhibition area. Can you see out here? Boot 2, it's red now. Right, I'm going to go to boot 2. The image has been changed. There's a rotating image out here. This is the agenda which I have uploaded through resource. So I have added a rotating image. You can see these boxes. You can add your own video out here. You can just choose the coordinate from here using this image onto panes, and you can choose it and you can update this onto the platform. So rotating image, as I was talking, I've added them. So I've added them through rotating image settings. I've chosen this settings. Okay, I've chosen these settings. These are the settings which I have chosen, and I've chosen this image. Rotating image has been, these are my rotating image, B2, B1 are my rotating image. It's just simple as we have done this earlier. Just choose the image, select it where you wanted in B1 or you wanted in B2. That's booth 1 or booth 2. Or if you have 10 different booths, you can, it will be giving you a drop down option for 10 different booths. And the resource configurations, resources, I have added them like the color, enabling it. I have, resources image, I have added the sponsor logo to be this here, and I've used this. I'm going to change this to exhibition 1, save this, and yes, you would be able to see the changes. And now resource upload, that's very important. Without resource upload, you won't be able to see anything if you just have the configurations with you. Where do I want it? Let's do it 1. Internal, it's not YouTube, it's not Vimeo, it's internal. This is the resource. I have uploaded the agenda as I've already showed you earlier. I'll show you again. I'm going to do a live now. Okay, every time whenever you make a change, you got to do a live now so that it reflects on your front end. And this is the simplest way, and this is the most simplest platform I have ever worked with. Can you see the rotating image? Right, now exhibition 1. I will show you both the agenda that I have placed out here. Here are the both agendas which has been placed. This is all about the rotating. This is all about the exhibition. Once, if you have faced any problem, we can clear it out in the demo. But yes, this is all about the exhibition. It is very easy, and you can go through it, and you would be easy to do it after just watching this video. Thank you so much.